Once a transaction has been confirmed, it can't be changed. And this is a really crucial point to remember. If you sent your funds by accident, or to the wrong person, or worse still, to somebody who has scammed you, there is just no way back. Transactions happen very quickly, within minutes, so no need to wait for days or even hours. So no matter where you are in the world, no matter how close or how far away you are from the person you're sending cryptocurrency to, these transactions happen in minutes. Fast transactions combined with the irreversibility means that you need to pay really close attention to what you are doing. Back when cryptocurrency first started out, privacy and being anonymous was essential to early traders. Today, it is still very common for traders to create aliases so that all transactions, accounts and stored data that you have can't be tied to your real world identity. I mean, this might sound a bit paranoid, but really the system was set up to protect your data and to prevent identity theft. For example, credit cards use a pull method. So when you use your credit card to pay for something, you are giving the merchant the right to access your full credit. The merchant then pulls the money from your credit card account. Cryptocurrency, on the other hand, pushes the transaction instead, meaning that you send the exact amount you want the recipient to receive, and they don't get access to any additional information. There is a very strong measure in place which locks in your cryptocurrency funds. This is called the public key cryptography system, which means that only the owner of the private key can send the money. Remember the previous point, it is a push transaction and not a pull transaction. It is incredibly easy to get set up and to start trading. You need some software, somewhere to store your money, and a little knowledge. And we will cover everything you need to know in later chapters. There are no special regulations or certifications. You don't have to report to anybody or ask permission. Nobody is watching you. It is just you trading. The amount of most cryptocurrencies decreases over time, and this is done by a special piece of source code that specifies how much can exist. So this makes cryptocurrencies more like precious metals or limited non-renewable resources. Unlike traditional forms of money, where it is possible to just make or print more of it, it is impossible to do this with cryptocurrencies. For anyone who has concerns about bank policies leading to future economic instability, trading in cryptocurrencies is certainly a desirable option. Cryptocurrency trading happens entirely outside the direct control of national banks. This also means that a bank can't freeze or seize your bank account for any reason. They can't reverse transactions. They can't touch your money. So how exactly is this possible? This is made possible because the cryptocurrency ledger lives on a decentralized network with identical copies existing in numerous locations globally. Mining happens when transactions are verified and added to the blockchain. Mining is done by real people who use special software to ensure that all transactions in a blockchain are indeed verified. They get compensated for this work, so it is in their own financial self-interest to keep accurate, up-to-date transaction records. This process secures the integrity of the whole system and the value of the currency itself. Cryptocurrencies have numerous security features that ensure there are no acts of duplicating the original funds. So So this eliminates the need for transaction fees to support third-party payment processors like a credit card company or PayPal, who would typically charge to check those transactions. This work is taken over by miners, and they are compensated with new currency units and sometimes with optional transaction fees. Using cryptocurrencies globally is very easy. They are not tied to ever-changing rates or transaction fees. So these funds can be exchanged and utilised internationally without experiencing the usual problems of working with different currencies and different countries. You can purchase goods or services or trade cryptocurrencies for another type of money. Some colleges now accept bitcoins as tuition fees. In 2013, the University of Nicosia, a private school in Cyprus, became the first university to accept bitcoins. In 2014, New York-based King's College became the first US school to accept this digital currency. Grocery stores, cafes, retail stores, travel agencies, insurance providers, even luxury car dealerships have all reported that they now allow cryptocurrencies as forms of payment. Bitcoin ATMs are also being installed in popular urban centres. Other options to send cryptocurrencies will certainly develop as the adoption rate increases around the world and as cryptocurrencies become more mainstream.